see if Varun joins in. Hi, Jan. So, guys, we are with our families. He is in Delhi. I'm in Mumbai. We've had a very bad time, but it is important for us to keep telling you guys on social media because social media gave us everything. You guys saw us laugh. You guys saw us cry on our reality shows. You all know what kind of person we are. You all know everything about us. So it's important for you guys to know what is happening. And we have lost two people in our life. I think Varun का सबसे बड़ा fear यही था when dollar will go. And मेरा भी सबसे बड़ा fear यही था when I'll see any of my parents go or anything happens to my family. But I don't know, it is a good thing or a bad thing. दोनों चीजें साथ में हुई हैं. We already were upset and he was sinking in with Papa's thing. And now dollar today. Not us, but we have to get back and we have to get back stronger. And my dad hated it when I used to cry. He used to hate it. So I'm not gonna cry. And this has made Varun and I a little more stronger. We are bound to be together. We are meant to be together. I'm so glad that we are with our families and yet handling each other.
You have shown me that when I was there with you, I saw you, and because I already knew what's going to happen to dollar, I think Divya gave me the strength to accept it. And this live is happening because I want to tell you guys that we have to. It's not that they have gone from our hearts, our minds. They'll never go away ever. But we have to work towards our families now. Keep them happier. Get back to work. Crying is a part of life. Crying is very normal. And it's okay to cry. But we can't be just sitting home. We can't be just not doing anything. We have to get up. Sometimes we have to drink our tears up and just get back to work.
So guys, don't be surprised if Varun and I will start working from tomorrow.
I'm doing I have a shoot tomorrow here, and I'm going to do it because I have other members in the family I have to cater for. Keep them happier, give them a better lifestyle. I have to work even harder, and you guys have given immense love to both the family members. आप लोगों ने बहुत प्यार दिखाया और आज वो लोग देख रहे हैं and they're very happy. So thank you, first of all, everybody who's watching this. And I just want to say thank you, Divya, for making me the strong person. I'm crying right now, not because I'm upset that they're gone. Of course, everybody will miss them.
1 second.
I need to stop crying. We need to stop crying. I know, but it's okay to miss them if they've left. But both of them won't want us to stop our lives. That's why I decided I'll come to the gym today. I'll work out. And a lot of people I know will think ki you just suffered a loss. Why are you back to work so suddenly? Because they would
Yeah,
want that. Because they would want that. And
Varun, we are going to celebrate Diwali. I'm going to ask my mom to keep Karwa Chauth. She's not going to remove her bindi, her Mangal Sutra, nothing. हम शौक नहीं It's gonna change. She'll always be dressing up like that. I don't want people raising fingers कि ये ऐसे कैसे जी रही है. If somebody does that, I'm gonna break their face. I'm gonna protect my family. Now, after Dad, I'm the one who's responsible for everything financially, mentally, everything. And I'm gonna take care of them. I'm not gonna upset my dad. I'll start working and I'll make sure पापा के जितने ड्रीम्स हैं वो मैं मम्मी से करवाऊँ और मम्मी को सब कुछ दूँ. I'm gonna make her learn driving. She's gonna have her own car. She's gonna go anywhere wherever she wants to. She'll stay with us, Varun. She'll stay everywhere with her sisters, with everybody she wants to, whatever she wants to do. I'll take care of my brother's career. I'm gonna do all of those things. We have a lot to do. And guys, live because we wanted to thank you guys for all of the love and the prayers you guys were there with us.
And if people are thinking right now that probably we are upset that it shouldn't have happened, yeah, we all wish they stayed for a little longer. But we both know that they both were suffering. They both were suffering, and we just didn't want them to go through more pain in life. Yeah.
I'm glad Papa saw Varun and I. मतलब Papa तो इतने strict थे कि मुझे live in कभी allow नहीं करते. I don't know, शायद time ऐसा आने वाला था. Papa saw Varun and I living together, like almost like a married couple. We used to take care of each other. Papa saw everything. I'm very sure Papa will come back as my son. I'm just praying.
People right now were saying shit. Just want to tell them this is not a sympathy live. They're just telling you guys that you might see in the next 2-3 days that we're back to work. We're back to shoot, back to a normal life. And that is not because we don't care about the people who have gone. It's because we do. It's because we will continue to make them proud.
We'll smile. We have to celebrate Diwali, Varun. We have to celebrate every festival coming this year. We are not gonna शौक नहीं मनाने वाले हम किसी भी चीज का.
They are pain. We both know that they were going through a lot of pain. And yeah, of course, we missing them is okay. But because we love them so much, we couldn't put through more pain. Right? We both have faced this together in a gap of literally one day.
I know. I just can't believe it only. I feel like Dad is just gone out for some work.
It'll sink in. It'll sink in very slowly. And at the back of the head, we always know. And I used to think कि मैं discharge करूँगा because I knew that this was coming from me. I knew कि ये होने वाला है with dollar. So I used to think कि मैं discharge करूँगा तो शायद effect नहीं होगा. Effect होगा, हर बार होगा. पर जिंदगी खत्म नहीं हुई है. मुझे मेरे बहुत स्पेशल लोगों ने बोला that a few bad days doesn't mean it's a bad life. It's not a bad life. It was never a bad life. The time that we have spent with them has been great. The time in the future will be great too. It's just that when somebody goes, you miss them. That's it. So ये कोई सिंपैथी लाइव नहीं है, हम बस बताने आए हैं कि हम लोग अपने काम पे वापस जाने वाले हैं.
Yeah,
राइट नाउ दिव्या
we
मुंबई में है, मैं दिल्ली
did
में आया हुआ था.
more financial work.
People who didn't know what happened to dollar was
It's okay. He's just gone. It's okay. It's okay. You don't need.
no, age was catching up. And he had a beautiful life. A lot of people say he had a better life than I did.
Varun, bus, Ronan. Bus. No crying. No crying. No crying.
तो अगर किसी को कल परसों से अगर वो काम पे लगने वाले हो, किसी को ट्रोल करना है हमको, तो करते रहो. Because we have a lot to achieve in life and we will not going to stop working because of this. And yes, one of the main source of our earnings is the platform that we are on right now. So if we are posting about other things, doesn't mean
Yeah.
that we don't care about the people who have gone.
Because
This life is just that.
quite sentimental when people. I've got so many messages. शर्म नहीं आती. You just posting things online. तेरा बाप ये वो such foul language. I mean, it hurts, yeah, because ये Instagram की वजह से ही मैं अपने पापा के bills भरे मैंने, और ये Instagram की वजह से ही मैं आगे अपनी family संभालूंगी. I'm going to be the person who's holding them together. I can't do that. And if you guys don't like us, or probably if you guys have a problem with our way of living, you all can please unfollow, but just don't say anything rubbish is what I want. We are
Remember
okay.
them in the good times, so
Yeah.
will we. But we also know that one of the main source of earning is this platform right here.
Yeah.
And pending work is there. Things
A lot
are
of
signed. Things are already happening. So we'll have to
revive.
just drink the tears up
Yeah.
and get back to the grind. That's it. That's all I have to say with you. That's
Thanks,
why
sir.
I've come live and spoke about this. I'll leave.
I'll call you. No cry.
Yeah.
So, this is it. We had to speak about all of this. My dad is with me. Now he's on the other side. मैं सबको धमकी देती थी. My dad is a lawyer. If you mess with me, he'll screw you up. I can still do that. In fact, now he's on the other side. He's protecting me from there. And I can clearly say that I'm fearless. I'm very fearless now. मेरा ये एक ही मेरे दिल में डर था, अब वो सब निकल गया है. अब इससे ज़्यादा क्या जिंदगी खराब करेगी, इससे ज़्यादा क्या खराब होगा, कुछ नहीं होगा. I'm also very thankful to those जिनसे मेरी नहीं बनती, उन्होंने भी मुझे मैसेज किया है. All the people, you all know them. They all message me, and I don't want to take names, but yes, they all messaged me, and I felt good. I was happy. I'm so happy that Dad got so much love, and he will. Yes. Thank you so much, guys, and he will protect me from the other side. I have got another God. He is right here with me every time. मैं सोती भी ये लालच में हूँ कि पापा सपने में आएंगे. So I am तो quite positive about things. I know if God has the power to take away life, I am a woman. I have the power to give life. and I will get him back as my son. I will get my dad back as my son. And then तो वो मेरी सुनेंगे. Then तो उनको मेरी सुननी पड़ेगी. उनको अपना ख्याल रखना पड़ेगा. So guys, this is it, and yes, bye. I'm glad. I'm glad I have such a huge family. I have. I'm so proud. I'm so glad. Papa will be very happy to see you guys doing all this, supporting, loving us. Papa's going to come back. He's almost seen me married. एक बाप का सपना होता है अपनी बेटी की शादी देखना. He's almost seen me married. He's approved of Varun. He loves Varun. And everything's going to be fine. And I'll be back on track. I have a lot of work to do. And अभी तो और responsibility बढ़ गई है. So I'm going to go at it. And I just want you all to support in whatever work I do, whatever things I do in my life. And even if I'm posting a very happy picture on Instagram, please don't judge me. Because I'm going to be happy. There's no way I'm not going to be happy. Yes, you can see this, but yeah, I'll miss him. I cry. I miss him. I want him next to me. But the way he was in the hospital, वो बाहर आ भी जाते तो वो वीक रहते हैं या वो पता नहीं मुझ पर डिपेंडेंट हो जाते हैं. पर वो ऐसे इंसान ही नहीं थे कि वो किसी पे डिपेंडेंट होना चाहते थे. He was a strong man. He went walking to the hospital and he left. I'm so proud that he was so brave to do all of that. And thank you so much everybody who all messaged me. I couldn't reply anybody because I was quite busy. So thank you so much guys, and please you all don't cry or you all don't feel bad about us. We are fine. I am fine. And the prayers, ये मत समझना कि मैं सोच रही हूँ that the prayers, हमने इतनी मेहनत की, इतनी prayers की, सब waste हो गई. Nothing is wasted. It is all going to be fine. And he is coming as my son. I'm waiting. I'm going to celebrate. My mom, yes, she's definitely lost the love of her life. Their love story is so amazing. I wish I could write a book on their love story. Incredible love story since school age. I think I will, maybe not. I don't know. And she will not be dependent on me or Prince. She won't be like मैं अकेली हूँ, मेरे साथ कोई नहीं है. No, she'll be independent. She'll be a strong, independent woman, and I will teach her how to drive. I will send her to international trips, and I want to really work hard so that I can afford everything what she wishes for in life. I'm gonna make her wear anything what she wants to wear, like how she used to be with my father. My father loved her in colorful dresses and the jewelry and everything. She's gonna be the same, and I don't care about anybody judging me on this. She's gonna be like that, and you'll see her happy. My brother, yes, he will also get on his track. Everything will be fine. My mom will learn driving. She'll go around. She's gonna meet her friends. My dad's gonna be happy. So you guys, thank you so much and love you all. So don't worry now and don't feel sorry. Everything is cool. I just love it. Bye guys. Take care.